Good day, everyone. Dr. Cristina Schrader. My name is Nalia Bisanise, and I will be the one to solve manually for simple linear regression. Okay, so we all know that simple linear regression is, it has one independent and dependent. Okay, so for our formula, so do not forget our formula. So I will introduce to you our formula for today is b0 plus b1x, or it also termed as y equals a plus bx. So b0 or a, so it is the y-intercept. Y-intercept, and b, it is the slope. Okay, so we are going to solve that one later on. And then next, we are going to make a table. So I already made a table for us to have a shorter explanation rather than to solve it one by one, because it takes a lot of time to solve it manually. Okay, so here. So by the way, I am the one to solve this. So naana ko kanang ready-made nga solution in order for me to check. Okay, and I will explain it to you. Okay, so here, our data. So for the n, we have 10 variables. Okay, and then for the r's is our x, which is the independent. So we have 1 r, 2 r's, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 r's. Okay, so for the sum, we also calculate the sum by adding all the numbers. Okay, so we already know how to add numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So it is 55. Okay, so the sum is 55 divided by 10, which is our total variables. That is 5.5. Our mean is 5.5. For the blood pressure, which is our variables. So we have 60 for 1 hour, 65 for 2 hours, 70 for 3 hours, 75 for 4 hours, 80 for 5 hours, 90 for 7 hours, 100 for 9 hours, 98 for hours. So this is our dependent. Okay, so we also add this one a total of 818. 818, so the mean, so divided by 10, that is 81.8. Okay, so I will solve 60 plus 65 plus 70 plus 25 plus 80 plus 85 plus 90 plus 95 plus 100 plus 98. Okay, so that is 818. So divided by 10, that is 81.8. So that is correct. Okay, next. So here, so x minus the mean. So what is our mean? That is 5.5 for our independent. So for the r, so we have 5.5 as our mean. So let us solve. So 1 minus 5.5, that is negative 4.5. So that is correct. Next, 2 minus 5, that is negative 3.5. Okay, that is also correct. And so on and so forth. So inatuon lang pag-solve. Okay, so by the way, we have our formula here. We just substitute the mean and the x. So 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 10, and our mean. So we just minus that one. Okay, so we're done with this. And then for the y. So we also solve the y so that we can proceed to other table. Okay? Next, so y. So we have our dependent variables. 60, 65, we're going to substitute for the y and then minus the mean for our dependent, which is 81.8. Okay, so the first one, 60 minus 81.8, negative 21.8. Okay, that's correct. Okay, so 65 minus 81.8, that is negative 16.8. Okay, so on and so forth. Okay, I will solve this too. If sakto ba, if that is correct, 100 minus 81.8, that is 18.2. Sakto, that's correct. 98 minus 81.8, 16.2. So, same as in the board. Okay, now, so for here, we are going to square. So, we square the value of this part. So, we square. So, negative 4.5 squared. Okay, and then so forth. We copy this part since only ang ato ang i-square. Negative 4.5 square. That is 20.25. So, sakto. Next, negative 3.5 square. That is 12.25. So, the same as the result here at the board. Okay, so, mauna same maghapon dana. Same solution. Same solution, same process in solving the given solution. Next, so same here. So, y-intercept na sagda. So, for the y, for the dependent, that we are going to square this one. Okay, so negative 21.8, asa matagi ka na. So, anita ani. So, kani no part, we are going to square this part. So, mauni ang iyang solutions. So, we are going to substitute negative 21, negative 20 square, that is 24. Okay. Okay, since maumani, that is fraction, so we are going to have it decimal. 282.24. Okay. Next, negative 11.8. And so on and so forth. So this is the solution. Sorry, by the way. Okay, so this is the solution. So here we are going to sum up all the answers in order for us to have the sum. Okay, so since it is important in our formula. Okay, so mauni siya 191.6. Plus 282. 139.24 plus 46.24 plus 3.24 plus 10.24 plus 67.24. Where are we? 20.24 1.24. Same as the solution. Okay, so mauni ang sum for this part, for the square in y. Okay, next. So, the next step, we are going to multiply this part and this part. Okay, we apply this so that we can get the 381 that is needed for our y-intercept. Okay, so ani? Needed siya ani for the y-intercept. Slope rather. This is the slope. This is the y-intercept. Okay, so we need the summation of view. So, mauni ato ang summation dani. So, we are going to multiply the two. So, negative 4.5 times negative 21.8, that is the result here at the board. Next is negative 3.5 times negative 58.8. Okay. So, eksakto ba? So, that is 4.5 times 16.2. Okay. 42.9. So, that is well, in order for us to have the summation in this part, so 381 is the summation. Let us solve 38.1 plus 58.8 plus 29.5 plus 10.2 plus 0.9 plus 1.6 plus 12.3 plus 33 plus 63.7 plus 72.9. Okay, so that is 381. Okay.